morning. That all takes place. The best way to know everything going on that Saturday, www.speedbowl.com. We have great time. about 2 weeks, I'm going to be the master of ceremony at the New England Auto Racers banquet.
Yeah.
And it's quite a thrill to interview your first ever win here at the Speedbowl.
Yeah, I've been second here a few times every time we show up, but this is our first win, and yeah, we got a busy off season there with Hall of Fame, Seacon banquets, Charlotte banquets, and now this. It's been a great year. I mean, I can't complain. We championship, 3 wins in a row here. First win at Waterford. This means a lot to me.
Now, it looked like, you got the drop right off the green flag, but I think you saw the other guys coming. They seem to have a couple of runs, but you were able to fight them off.
Yeah, I had him in the mirror watching him. I know Big Jeff was a little hungry over there. He wanted a little piece of me, but I see Mikey working him over, so he had his hands full back there.
Who do you need to say thank you to for your first ever win here at the bowl?
Yeah, I mean, I can thank my crew there, Ed Marsha, Sylvia Motorsports, Northeast Alternatives, Brightman Lumber, whole family that showed up, everybody that came. I appreciate it all.
Your winner in the Seacock Sport Trucks Radical, Rick Martin. We'll move over to Mike Carolina. Mike, what took place? You were battling with Jeff Bellier to get that second spot. Looked like perhaps maybe he slipped off the track and gave you that run.
Yes, he did. I don't know what happened. I didn't touch him, but it was a great race. Rick did very well. I mean, his record speaks for himself. I do get tired. I finish second to him every now and then, but the last race was the same thing. You got first, I got second, and we're the 2 old guys in the division, so we enjoy it. The race overall is good. My truck is the only one in the top 5 that's actually got a stock Chevy Snauer under it, so we're real happy with what we do.
Who are the people who help out on the truck?
Okay, for today I want to really thank Tom Moorehead, Landscaping. He's not here, but he lent me his pickup truck to get this here because I was having trouble with my tow vehicle. So a big thanks to him. Obviously my crew, my daughter Christine for helping out on the crew. Rich Stockel and his girlfriend helped me out this weekend. And a big thanks to Waterford Speedbowl to have us here. We love coming to this track.
Mike Camilleri with a second place run in the Speedbowl and the Seacon Sport Truck. And now we'll move over to Jeff Bellier. Jeff, you tried a couple times to get by Radical Rick. How much of the truck did you use up in that fight?
Oh, pretty much everything. Getting is one thing, getting by is another, so it was fun. I've never been here, so I'm usually a crew chief, not a driver. So this is different for me, but I got to thank Seacon Grand Prix. Without Wayne and them, I wouldn't have this truck. So them and the Darwin family, my buddy Vinny came and helped me, Dave, my girlfriend Shannon, and everybody from the 52 Pro Stock team from Seacon to help me out. That's about it.
Jeff Bellier with a third place run in the Seacon